Namaste from me to you. Hello there, I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today we'll focus on the next 4 words, and that is see, sound, side, can. So let's start with the first word see. S-E-E-C. I see. See it yourself. Can I see this one? What's this? Let me see it. Go and see who it is. We see with our eyes. I want to see the movie English medium. I'm happy to see you again. Can you see that house? Yes, I can see. It's very beautiful. See you soon. See you tomorrow. Rani came to see me 3 days ago. You can see many animals in this forest. Everywhere you look, you can see children playing in the park. The second word is sound. A sound. Good sound. Sounds good. What's that sound? That's the sound of thunder. Raj doesn't sound happy. Raj sounds angry. He sounds really upset. Raj, you sound terrible. What happened? Nothing much. I'm not feeling well. The baby was sound asleep, very fast asleep. The baby was sound asleep in her mother's arms. Light travels much faster than sound. With a population of over 20 million, Mumbai sounds like a big city. The third word is side. S-I-D-E, side. One side. Roadside. The other side. Both sides. Which side won the cricket match? Step to the side. Let me go. Tia and Nia sat side by side. The doctor told Raj, lie on your right side. Lie, L-I-E. The doctor told Raj, lie on your right side. A square has 4 sides. Where's the newspaper? The newspaper is by your side. Does this medicine have any side effects? This medicine has no side effects. It is safe. The village is on the other side of the mountain. The village is on the other side of the mountain. The next word is can. I can. We can. You can. Can you? Garbage can. Can I go to the bathroom, teacher? Yes, you can. There are many ways we can help the poor. I can run. I can swim. Can I help you? I can sing well. Can I have something to eat? When can we eat? I'm hungry. The food is ready. You can eat now. Thank you. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can. Can you speak French? No, I can't. Can you gift wrap this, please? Yes, it's too hot. I can't stand this hot weather. So that's all for today. Meet you in my next video. As always, till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.